Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY, Cannon's RV Repair. So I want to take a second and talk a little bit about RV mattresses, because when you sleep on a bed in your home and you went out and you laid on that bed and you tested it and made sure you liked it, and you want to make sure it's comfortable. And in some of the older RVs, some of these mattresses are not comfortable at all, but they make a lot of great RV mattresses that you can buy and put in it. But you can also get the sleep comfort ones. So what you want to do, though, in my opinion, is you want to measure how much room you have. Typically you're going to have to go with the queen bed, and some of you will have to go with the double, but you want to measure it and then see the length, the width, and how much room do I have, because you can't really go longer when you have a slide out like this one. So but this bed, it's like laying on springs, you guys, and it's barely been used. So as soon as you lay on it, you're gonna be like, okay, this is gonna be a long trip trying to sleep in this RV, especially if you just bought it. So this is something you want to keep in mind. You should buy a new mattress, one that you're comfortable with and that you like. Go on down to one of the mattress stores and test them out. So that being said,